you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. Before we actually get into today's video, I just wanted to thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart for always tuning in, supporting me, following me on my other social media. Well, it's really just Instagram, but I love talking to you guys over there. It just means the absolute world to me. So I just wanted to thank you guys so much. YouTube has always been something that I've really truly enjoyed doing. And I remember, I think back to like when I first started and I had 0 subscribers, nobody to talk to. It was still fun. I enjoyed doing it. I enjoyed being creative, but it's so much more fun when you have someone on the other end to kind of communicate with and chit chat back and forth with. So I just wanted to thank you guys so much. I feel like I don't thank you enough, so I wanted to make sure I thanked you guys in this video. As you can tell by the title, today's video is a Shein curved try-on haul, and all of the items are geared more toward the summertime. It is getting so freaking hot here. I'm in California, for those of you who don't know, and it's getting a little too hot for my liking. So I wanted to make sure to get a bunch of new summer pieces. I got some great summer dresses, a couple 2-piece sets I'm really excited about, and then I got a couple tops that are obviously summer appropriate, but I wanted them to also be appropriate for me to wear to work since I am teaching summer school. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy all of this stuff that I got. I know this is probably one of my favorite Shein hauls, so I'm really excited to share that with you guys today. As always, I keep all of the good information along with the links to all of the items I talk about today in the description box, so don't forget to go check that out. A lot of people like to know, like, how tall are you? How much do you weigh? What are your measurements? All of that is down in the description box, so don't forget to go check that out. Also, Shein gave me a coupon code to give to you guys. I don't make anything off of it, but it saves you guys some coin. It'll get you an extra 15% off if you use the code NicoleA15. Without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so for the first thing, I got a few like accessory type items. The first item is a pair of sandals. These are really pretty. They're just like this like weaved, I would say. I almost said braided, but it's like a weaved, like whitish, like ivory color, just basic like slide sandal. I got these in a size 10 and they look super cute on. I'm always afraid sandals are not gonna fit me from Shein because I do have a really wide foot, but these were perfect, plenty of room. Haven't worn them out yet, of course, but I will let you guys know how they work out for me. They had a really cute faux leather bag on the site I wanted to get just to see the quality. This is what it looks like. Super cute. It did come with a colorful strap as well, and I have no idea where that went. Like, it's just gone. Oh wait, there it is. Okay, it came with this like colorful strap that you can put on if you want. I truly don't even know where it goes. I forget. If I can find the picture online, I'll insert it here. My initial thoughts on the bag was the color is a little weird, so I'm not the biggest fan. I feel like, I don't know how it's coming off on camera, but it's a little bit like of an orangish, like pink color. I don't know. We will see if I will use this. I'm gonna like fill it with some stuff and like wear it around and see if it feels sturdy enough, but it's not too bad. I don't know, it looked a little bit different on the website. Then I saw a little like 5-piece bag set that I thought would be cute to use when taking pictures, like as like a little prop almost. So the first one it came with is this larger purse. Pretty cute. Obviously it doesn't feel like the best quality in the world, but it's not like terrible quality either. So this is the first bag. It also came with this cute little one. How cute is this? I love this one. This will be cute to like style in a picture for Instagram. Also, it has something inside. I forget. Cute little bag. This might be a nice little like coin purse. Oh, it also comes with longer straps, and what is this? Oh, for your keys. That's kind of cool. Didn't even know it came with that. I mean, maybe it was more than 5 pieces then. I don't know. So, little coin purse, little purse, big purse. It also came with this size of a bag, and I like this little feature. You have to push that down and then open it up. It is the perfect size for me for a makeup bag, so this is what I will be using this for. And then last but not least, it came with a wallet. And I have not even opened this yet, so let's see. I'm very picky about my wallets. Like the design, like the layout I mean on the inside. This is definitely one I would use. Not, once again, the best quality in the world, but not completely terrible. So definitely will be using that. Okay, moving on to the actual clothing pieces. The first item I got is actually a bathing suit. And it is this. I thought this design was so pretty, and I really loved the cutouts on the side. It's hard to like see here, but you'll see in the try on portion, the crisscross detailing on either side is super pretty. I love how like stringy this is. I love this color combination. There are pads for your boobs. This bathing suit was super supportive on me. Definitely a little cheeky, so keep that in mind, but overall I thought this was super pretty and I really liked it a lot. I picked the bathing suit up in a 2X and I thought it fit perfectly. Next I got this little 2-piece set, and I posted this on my Instagram stories because I thought it was so cute and it just brought me back to Hawaii. Like, I want to go back to Hawaii so bad. It came with this really pretty skirt, and it's just like a really thin material, which is nice for summer. It does have a zipper on the side that you can zip up and down, and it's like the perfect length skirt on me. And then it also came with the cutest little crop top with buttons. I thought this set fit my body perfectly. Like, could not have asked for a better fit. Absolutely loved it, and I picked this one up in a 4X. This is not made of a stretchy material, by the way, but I will say that the straps on the crop top are adjustable, and it does have a little bit of elastic in the back. This next item I was the most excited about when I opened the package from Shein, but unfortunately the pants did not fit me really at all. Very tight in the thighs. The waist was actually perfect, and I would say like knee down was fine, but the thigh area was just way too tight. It's another 2-piece set. The top is like a little peplum style crop top. I love the material of this, and I absolutely love the color. It's like almost like a linen material. I just freaking love it. And the color I would say is like a kind of like a dusty like green. It's so pretty. I'll definitely wear this top, like no doubt about it. And then the pants are just like really flowy pants, but apparently not flowy enough for me. So, I hate people with loud cars. It's like, get out of here. So yeah, super stretchy waistband, just nice and flowy. There's no pockets, unfortunately. I would say that's probably a downside for me, as I love a good pocket. But I picked this set up in a 3X, and if they have a 4X or even a 5X, I might order it just to swap out the pants. So I can wear the bigger size on the bottom, and then I'll pair it with this top. This is just so cute, and I know I would wear it all summer long. Also, the material on this, since it is like linen-like, it is not stretchy. Next up, I got this deep green dress. Once again, another flowy dress. I love the sleeves, love them. The cute little ruffle detailing is everything. This is not a stretchy material either, but it's like so oversized and flowy that it's like perfect. Really love it a lot. Love the length on this one as well. I picked this up in a 3X and I thought it was perfect. Next up, I got another dress, but this is a tank top dress. And it looks like this. It's this nude color with brown buttons going down the front. This dress has pockets, which was a huge plus for me. And also the straps up here are adjustable. It's pretty much just a hole, and you stick the strap through and you can tie it wherever you want. So that's definitely a plus. Overall, I really like this one a lot. I will say, if you're wearing darker colored undergarments, to maybe swap that out for a nude color. But other than that, I think it was super pretty. This one for me, I might need to self-tan before I wear it, because I feel like it's like the same color as my skin. I don't know. But other than that, yeah, I really like this one a lot. I got this dress in a size 4X, and it is not made of a stretchy material. This next dress is just the cutest. It's a little black dress. Hits me perfectly right about the knee area, a little bit above actually. And it's double layered with this like see-through, almost like chiffon material, and then layered underneath with a more opaque material. That way you can't see through the front. The back is a little bit see-through, but it's so pretty. Obviously it's not going to be see-through like down here in the butt area, but it's super cute. The arms are really flowy. There is a strap where you can tie it in the back, or, I mean, really you could bring that up and tie it in the front if you prefer your tie to be in the front. This one is not made of a stretchy material either, and I picked this up in a 3X. I will say I kind of struggled with getting it over my boobs, but once it was fine, and it was not uncomfortable at all. So really pretty, and I know I will be wearing this one a lot. Okay, this next one is first of all, wrinkle city. I mean, it could not be more wrinkly if it tried. But this is like a color blocking or color blocked dress, white, like a oatmeal color and then an orange. I thought it was really pretty. This is not really ever something I would typically go for, but I don't know, I kind of wanted to give something new a shot. So definitely oversized, doesn't really have much shape to it at all. It's kind of just like more of a swing type of a dress, but I thought it would be kind of nice for summer. The sleeves have some of this ruffle detailing on it that I thought was really pretty, and I do like this color combination, all of these colors together. I'm just typically not a color blocking fan, and I picked this dress up in a size 3X. Once again, not a stretchy material. All right, guys, another dress. We got a couple more dresses. This is a really pretty white, like floral dress. Cinches in at the waist or like right under your boobs. It's like a faux wrap, so it does come down to a deep V. This one is super pretty again with the ruffle detailing. I just cannot, I cannot. So pretty. Got this in a 3X, not a stretchy material, but I feel as if it fit me perfectly. All right, another dress. This is actually the last dress. It's white once again, but the floral detailing is like this mauve color and black. Really pretty. It comes down to a deep V in both the front and back, but the back has this tie so it doesn't fall off of your shoulders. The sleeves are super flowy, like really flowy, which I like. And this material feels so good. It's like very lightweight, but not like so thin or like cheap feeling that you're like uncomfortable when you leave the house. I don't know how to explain that, but it has a very thin elastic running through the waist to kind of cinch you in a little bit. And for this one, I picked it up in a 4X. Okay, the next one I got is a top, and it looks like this, just a floral top. This one is kind of an odd color. It's like a peach color. I think it's pulling more yellow on screen, I'm not sure, but it is a peachy type of a floral top, and it is made of that like chiffon non-stretchy material. This one I pretty much got just to wear to work, just something easy I could throw on where I would look nice and not sloppy. I don't ever want to wear like tops like this to work, obviously. Like as a teacher, I feel like I want to be somewhat professional. Okay, another top. This one is a kind of like a leopard print, or would that be Dalmatian print? Not sure. This one was a teeny bit snug on me, especially in the arms. It has this like, I don't know, it's like very restrictive. I don't know. This one kind of bugs me a little bit. It does cinch in at the waist, kind of peplum style. I like everything about it. I just wish I would have sized up. I got this one in a 3X, so if they had a 4X, I would recommend that because it's not a stretchy material at all. This next top, however, I'm a big fan. It's a little bit oversized, so nice and flowy. Once again, kind of that leopard, like Dalmatian print feel. This one it is peplumish style, more flowy. Does have buttons going up the top. Not made of a stretchy material. Definitely another good top to wear to work with some black jeans or black pants, and I got this in a 3X. So just goes to show that two tops can be the same size but fit completely differently. So if you are ordering from Shein, please don't go by the sizes of 1X, 2X, 3X. Please measure yourself and go by the measurements. So that is that. And then the last top is actually what I'm wearing here. It is a just oversized, like almost like men's t-shirt, tie-dye with this little graphic here. I like this one a lot too, super comfortable. I personally might crop this. I think it might look a little bit nicer if I cut off the bottom. But other than that, I really like it, and I actually don't know what size I got this in. It's in a 3X. Got it in a 3X. I think it's the perfect size. Like I said, I might crop it, maybe even like roll up the sleeves a little bit, but we shall see. So that was pretty much it for this Shein Curve try-on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed everything. I want to know what your guys' favorite item was that I hauled. I'm just curious to know. I feel like everybody has such a different style, so I definitely have my favorite in mind, but I want to know what your guys' is. Before you go, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and also if you're not subscribed here to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to do that. And I think that is it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!